Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, this is Adhay, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm excited to do part 2 of the rest of the Tatti lashes that I didn't show you in the last video. Also, side note, I will be having a giveaway within this video, so stay tuned for the details. I will leave the details somewhere in the video, during the video. If you want to join this giveaway, stay on the lookout. All right, let's begin. I am ready. You guys know for my lash glue, I will be using a duo. Let's start off with the lightest lash, and that would be, let me see, out of this group, TL7. These look very nice. I think I'm gonna love them as much as I loved the TL6 from the previous video. Okay, they fit almost perfectly. I will just take off the ends. I will let you know how they feel. Of course, you guys will see how they look. These lashes are super inexpensive, and no, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just bought them, one, because of how cheap they were, two, they looked nice in their website. I wanted to see if they're actually that good, so I decided to go ahead and purchase a bunch of these lashes to try them for you guys, in case you guys are, you know, interested in this brand. All right, here goes nothing. They're beautiful. Wow. This style is beyond my expectations. 10 times beyond my expectations. Let me go ahead and put the other one and I'll be right back. Both of them on. They are beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love them. Love them is an understatement. Take them off, but on to the next one. Let's go. Let's move forward. The next pair of lashes are TL4. These are getting a little more intense. All right, let me measure them. I need to buy new tweezers. My tweezers are fit perfectly. They're getting ugly. I need new tweezers. It's hard to find good quality tweezers, and I even tried Mr. Tweezer, I think it's the brand. They were expensive, but they sucked. The only ones that are amazing in my opinion are the MAC tweezers, which are these ones. I want to say I've had them for about 3 years, and they still grip really good, really good, but they're looking a little rusty. All right, here goes nothing. Wow, they look good too. They're a bit more dramatic, but I still would rock these in public, because as I mentioned to you guys in all my videos, I am a little scared of these dramatic lashes. Very aware of which ones I rock in public and which ones I just use for video purposes. But these are beautiful. They're so nice. Wow. Let me put on the other one. And this is both of them on. They look very good. They look so lovely. Wow, they look so lovely. And I like the fact that the intensity is not in the length of the lashes, but in how deep and how dark they look. I don't mind wearing lashes that are intense, but they are within the size of my eye, if that makes sense. I don't like them to be intense in the sense of super long and dramatic. These lashes are TL8. The wispiness on this lash style looks chunkier. Now I'm going to pop them on. Whoa. These are going more intense. And this one, it is a chunkier indentation. And it is slightly going outwards. I don't know if you guys can tell. But, I kind of like them, but not as much as I like the other ones. They're not bad, but, you know, I like them. And this is the other one. I do want to mention the slight difference between this lash and this one right here. They are not looking exactly the same, and I know they don't have to look exactly the same, but this difference between these two I can totally tell right away, and I am not liking that. It's slightly, but I still notice it more than I noticed any small little differences with the previous lashes. I kind of like them, but I'm not fanning over them. They're fine. On with the next one. Before I go to the next one, stop, wait. So as I mentioned at the beginning of my video, I want to do a giveaway. To enter this giveaway, it will be plain and simple. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. Also, make sure you comment an emoji down below with the hashtag done. That will let me know that you are entering this giveaway. And of course, this is a Tatti Lash video, so I want to gift you guys not one, not two, but 3 pairs of lashes and maybe something else. If you're the winner, I will comment on your comment letting you know that you're the winner and for you to forward me your information. All right, now let's get back into this video. The next lashes are TL10. These look more angled out and I like the wispiness. It looks uniformed. I think I'm gonna like these. I honestly think I am. See how they fit. If I need to cut any adjustments, I will cut a little bit. I'll have to. Anyways, you guys like my nails? These are press-ons. Okay, let's go. Here goes nada. Wow, they look so good. Oh my gosh, I really like these two. I will definitely rock these dramatic lashes for a dramatic event. They look fluffy and so nice. Let me pop the other one. Let me get the full effect. Look at that. Wow. I love them. They look beautiful. Dramatic but beautiful. Dramatic but classy. Dramatic but I don't know. I like them. They feel good. They look good in camera. They look good in person. They feel comfortable, which is the most important out of all for me. I like them so much. These lashes are TL5. These look more dramatic. They look longer. Also, they look uniform compared to the other one. Let's go ahead and put... Okay. Not bad. They're still too long for me to feel comfortable wearing them in public, but they don't look bad. Again, I'm talking about my personal preference because some of you guys may like this and you guys rock this and they're not bad. They're not bad. I like them. I actually like them. Okay, before I say anything else, let me pop the other one on to see how they look, both of them together. They look cute. After popping the other one on, I'm now sure that I would rock these in public. They look so cute. They look way better than I thought. Not only do they look good, but they feel good. Oh my gosh, I like them. I like them a lot. Or am I getting used to dramatic lashes now? Am I that queen now? And just to recap this video, I want to give you my top favorite lashes that I tried in this video. Number one would be TL7. I love those lashes. They were beautiful. And then the second one would be TL10. And then my third, I think it would be these lashes. They look really nice. Even though I didn't think I was going to like them, I definitely like them a lot. I will link down my part 1 of my Tatti Lashes try on haul in the description box. So if you're interested on part 1, it will be down below. Click on it and I hope you enjoy. We are done with part 2 of Tatti Lashes try on. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed because I definitely did. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. Be safe. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.